What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel here. Today I just want to bring you a review of these Starkey bed liner or truck bed LED headlights. Probably a little bit of glare from the daylight here, but you can see I have them off right now. This is a 2016 F150. So I think they make them for different makes, but this is the Starkey brand. I got them off Stage 3 Motorsports. I'll post a link in the description to that if you're interested in buying. So you can see I'll turn them on here. So I did that just obviously unlocking my truck. Turns them on just like it does with your exterior or running lights for headlight and tail light. So yeah, you can see they definitely light up the truck bed significantly. So it's really nice when you have gear in here or at nighttime when you're trying to get through or get something out of the bed. And like I said, they're LED. So for an F-150, they're made to drop in to these brackets. So if you don't have them from the factory, it's a great upgrade. And like I said, they're drop in, they fit in snug. There's like a snap in fit on both sides here. So I know like XLT trim and lower come without the lights here, which is mine's an XLT. So I bought these as an upgrade. It normally just has plastic tabs that cover the holes there. So by design, the truck bed's designed to have these, I guess the higher up trims come with these already. So you can see the only caveat here is they shut off after a while. However, you can alleviate, or you can mitigate that by just cracking one of your vehicle doors, just leaving the latch open and then they'll stay on. So if you want them on for a longer period of time, you can just do that. Simple bolt on. They pigtail or connect right into, I should say, plug and play. So you got your right side here, and then this is your passenger side. This is your driver side over here. So you know, you pop them in here, and then it comes with the wiring harness. Like I said, it's a plug and play down into the middle here, which is the middle of your tailgate right down here. So you have to get under your truck, and they just plug and play right into your normal taillight wiring harness. So both sides kind of come into a T-fitting, which then plug and play into your brake light or running lights for your tail lights. So took probably 20 minutes at most to get this installed. Like I said, very straightforward. Just take the caps off here, pop them in, and then make sure you run your wiring down to the bottom here, which I'll give you a quick look here. But yeah, they drop in right by your spare tire. So that's where the plug and play harness is there. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a simple upgrade here to get some light or visibility in your truck bed, I know that's why I did it. Don't have to use a flashlight or anything anymore. It's plenty bright. So again, this is for, at least for this one I got for an F-150 that does not have the factory lights. I know you can buy upgrade lights if you already do have, you know, like a Lariat or Platinum or the upper trim levels that come with the lights already. But it was not standard on my XLT. So yeah, if you're in the market for one set of these truck bed lights, I highly recommend you take a look at these Starkey ones. So like I said, I'll post a link in the description if you're interested. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.